Legacy apps become outdated and less effective over time, and it can lead to increased costs, reduced productivity, and lost business opportunities. Now, some of the limitations and challenges for the business when they have legacy applications are essentially lack of scalability. The business that they're running maybe 10 years ago or 15 years ago when the apps that were built back in the day suited for that business process, but it may now have expanded. It could be a different incoming channels with people going online these days to submit their applications or inquiries, where back in the day it might be via phone calls or emails. And maybe there's just a lack of the ability to scale with the incoming requests and inquiries and business needs for your business. Integration difficulties is another one. Oftentimes legacy apps are not the easiest to integrate with other applications that might be coming in new to your organization because of an updated business process and so forth. Security, I think it goes without saying with the recent security breach cases that has happened in Australia. It becomes a focus, and a lot of legacy application or enterprise apps that is in the market for 10, 15 years, that might be approaching end of life. And once it goes end of life, they will stop releasing critical updates, which means then your system will be more vulnerable to security attacks. High maintenance costs and vendor lock-in, it probably goes hand in hand, where an application that was built maybe as a custom development back in the day, where you need specific vendor-specific skill set to maintain them because it's all custom, and it becomes very inflexible as well. Part of our experience in WA is we help an organization where they had a legacy app that was written in COBOL, and as you can imagine, the cost of resources to maintain that application will become very expensive.